Hi, my name is Greg Alexander and I'm an account manager at Morago. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the functions of the bids table in the campaign management area and also adding new bids. To reach the bids table, select the campaign you wish to manage by clicking on its name and then scroll down and you'll see the related ad group, bid and copy table. By default the bid table is contracted so you can see the copy table next to it, but note that once expanded additional fields are visible, such as match basis, average CPC and average CTR. This can make bid management easier. For now, I'll expand the bid table. The bid table is where all keywords, channels and beacons can be viewed and managed. You can scroll down the list to see multiple bids, and you can also filter just here to search on any column within the table if you're trying to find a specific bid. The impression, click and other performance data shown for each bid relates to the data selection made in the top right of the page here. As you can see, if I adjust this date range, the data should automatically update. There are three main ways to make changes to bid entries. The first is inline editing. Three fields can be edited, which are firstly the URL suffix. This is used for directing users to deep links, which are more relevant landing pages. You can also change the keyword match basis to either exact, phrase or broad match if desired. And lastly, you can set a new bid price. Inline editing is useful if you want to make quick one-off changes. To demonstrate, I'll change this bid price to 30p. I just add the value and click the blue tick box to confirm the change. The second way to manage bids is to use the multiple edit feature. This allows you to make changes to one or more specific bids simultaneously. To do this, select the bids by ticking the boxes on the left here, and then the multiple edit button should appear. Select this button and you'll see a pop-up with several editing options. You can activate, close or suspend the bids using the state button. Next you can adjust the matching options of the bids and change them to exact, phrase and broad, or default, which is the preferred matching option set for the system. All bids inherit this option unless specifically overridden. The next option is bid price. Here you can apply a different bid price to all bids. The last available field is URL suffix, which allows you to add a deep link URL for all bids at the same time. The important point to note is that for whichever field you choose to update, you must select the tick box to the left of that field before you press submit. I'll demonstrate here. The last method of managing bids is to apply changes to all bids within the ad group at the same time. This tool must be used with caution, as you could, for example, inadvertently activate bids that have been suspended or set a bid price that is too high. To change all bids at the same time, simply select the Edit All button. I'll change the maximum bid price for this ad group to 40p and select Submit. As you can see, once I've applied the changes, all bids should now be updated to 40p. To add a new bid, click on the Add New Bid button and a pop-up box should appear. Here you can add one or multiple bids. Just make sure that you add one per line. Keyword entries usually have a character limit, and in this case it's 80. Next, we'll need to select the match basis once we've finished adding our keywords. If there is a URL suffix relevant to the bids, you can also add this. Now we'll set the bid price, which I'll add as 20 pence. And then we'll select the Submit button and all the bids should be added. That's about it for the bids table. I hope it was useful. If you have any questions, please do contact your account manager, who will be very happy to help you out.